Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACDU. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Real quick, what I mean by 60-minute is instead of each one of these bars representing a day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 1 hour's worth of price action. So although this may look like a long period of time, in all actuality, it's basically the past 3 days. So I wanted to do this time frame because I think it does a better job of showing what's going on with the chart and what we want to see continue to happen with the chart, opposed to the daily chart here where it's just showing 2 massive days and then a gap down and a red candle. Sure, you can still extrapolate some information from this time frame, but like I said, I think the 60-minute just does a bit better job of making it easier to see. So let's first just start talking about some supports. And the first level of support that really sticks out is going to be right down here, and that is this previous high here back on the 4th of November, and that high is at 0043. You can see acted as resistance, and then when the price did break through it here, just a classic example of a resistance turning into a support, as 2 periods back tested it and it held like a champ. So this is going to be the first area of support that you're going to want to ideally see the price hold if it goes down there. I'm not saying it will, but if it does, this is a key level of support. But really at the end of the day, and actually let's take a step back, the ideal level of support, I missed this one at first, is going to be this level right here. I'm going to change it to a skinny green line because while it is a level of support, yes, if the price does fall below it, no need to panic or anything like that because you still do have these other supports that we'll talk about here in a second. But this level down here at 0052 is going to be the ideal level, meaning ideally if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the strongest, it would be if this level could hold as support. So going back to these more crucial levels of support, at the end of the day, any way you slice it, any way you want to look at things, the level that needs to hold is this purple line here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Right now, that's valued at 0037. Again, not saying the price will go down there, but if it does, from the overall charting perspective, you want to see the price maintain above this level right there. In terms of resistances, with any sort of bounce, the first level of resistance that's going to kind of give you an idea of how strong any bounce is going to be right up there at 0067. So use that as kind of a gauge of any sort of strength on the bounce. After 00, or what did I say that was, 0067, the next level of resistance is going to be right up there at 008. And if the price can get back up there and start to get some closes, I'm sure I'll be back with another update. But for the time being, use these 2 levels of resistance to gauge any sort of bounce, and kind of just let that tell you how strong the bounce currently is. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, whether you're a beginner or looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above and check out some of our courses. We have both for the beginners and advanced traders. They are in instant download format, so you can literally get started today if you so choose. So I'd encourage you to check those out, as they've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. Once more, this was ACDU. Thanks for listening.